The Indian Army has announced two landmark events, HIM-DRONE-A-THON 2 and HIMTECH-2024, designed to harness military technologies for operations in high-altitude areas. HIM-DRONE-A-THON 2 will take place in Varila near Leh on 17 to 18 September 2024 and will focus on drone solutions for high-altitude areas. The event is open to all indigenous drone manufacturers and will showcase surveillance drones, loitering munitions, logistic drones, swarm drones, and drones with specific capabilities such as electronic warfare, synthetic aperture radar, communication intelligence, and electronic intelligence. More than 25 drone manufacturing firms have registered for the event. HIMTECH 2024, HIMTECH 2024, held in Leh for the first time, will focus on development of technology and systems for meeting operational requirements along the northern borders. The event will provide a platform for Indian industries to showcase a wide range of equipment and technologies, including modern unmanned systems, all-terrain mobility solutions, autonomous systems, and advanced soldier systems.